Hello, Christian. It's Anna here, and I would like to read you another story. This one is called I Have the Hiccups, and it's written by Anne Harth. You can follow along the story right here where the words are on the right-hand side, and you can even say the words with me. Let's have a go. I have the hiccups. They won't go away. Hold your breath and count to 10, Mum says. I take a deep breath. I puff out my cheeks. 1, 2, 3. I count to 10. I still have the hiccups. Drink a glass of water, says Dad. I drink. The water is cold. It dribbles down my chin. I still have the hiccups. Eat a pickle, my brother says. I don't like pickles, I say. Strange. He shrugs. It will get rid of your hiccups. I take a tiny bite of a pickle. It's sour. Ew! I make a face. Hic! I still have the hiccups. I go next door to Auntie Noura's house. Help! I say. I have the hiccups. Lie on the floor, Auntie Noura says. I lie on the floor. Lift your feet. I lift my feet. Sing the ABC song. What? I say. It'll work. Try it. I sing my ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. I still have the hiccups. My cousin Salima comes home. She's very smart. She reads a lot. I have the hiccups, Salima. Please help me, I beg. Salima says. Stand on one leg. I do. I hold on to a chair. Now, stick out your tongue. I do. I stretch it out as far as I can. Now open your eyes really wide. I do. I try not to blink. Now look over your shoulder, she says. I look over my left shoulder. Now wiggle your toes. I wiggle my toes. I hope I don't fall. I am wobbling on one leg. My eyelids are getting tired. My tongue is dry. My neck is sore too. Wait, Salima says as she leaves the room. Don't move, she calls. I don't move, but I really want to. I wait and wait. Suddenly, the door opens. A bright flash blinds me. I put my leg down and pull in my tongue. I blink my eyes and turn my head to the front. My toes stop wiggling. Salima laughs and holds up her camera. She shows me the picture she just took. I smile. I look silly. Yes, Salima laughs. But your hiccups are gone. Wow! Salima did it. She fixed the hiccups. In quite a funny way, I think. Do you think so too, Christian? I'm going to ask you some questions now about this story. Let's see how many you can answer. And remember, because this is a video, you can press pause and you can go back to different parts of the story at any time to find the answer. Here is question number 1. How many people try to cure the hiccups? Go back through the story. and see if you can find out. Question 2. What is the brother's idea for curing the hiccups? Number 3. Who is the first person to try and help? And number 4. What is the best word to describe Salima? I'm sure you'll do really well in answering all those questions. It's been really wonderful to read to you again, Christian. I hope you have a fantastic day, and maybe I'll read to you again soon. Bye.